Hello students, today we are starting our lecture number 13. In this lecture we shall discuss greeting cards, how to write greeting cards and where to submit the work, how much you can earn from this work. There are many websites and freelance markets from where you can get this work, but in this type of writing you should be a creative writer. So let's start our lecture. Greeting cards. Greeting cards are used on a variety of events such as birthdays, get well soon, miss you, weddings, Father's Day, Mother's Day, love you, and many more. In past, printed greeting cards were sent to your dear and near ones, but now internet has digitalized it. You can start greeting card writing jobs to feed your family. You can do it full-time or part-time if you can write creatively. Internet has made it more simple and time-saving. Now you select a pre-written e-card that suits your emotions. You just need to write your name and click to send. Writers are important to produce creative and emotional content. The famous words, quotes and slangs can be used in the writings of e-card. The current dramas or movie dialogues can also be used in writing cards. One good thing for a greeting card writer is that it does not require any previous experience. The writer has to show worth to the company to start working relationship. Read submission guidelines because they can vary from company to company. How to write greeting card. You can get greeting card writing assignments from freelance websites such as Upwork, Guru.com, Freelancer and Fiverr. We know that e-cards are short and simple, so an e-card must have following qualities. Creative language. The language of the card should be creative, precise. The message should be precise. Style, poetic, rhyme, prose, serious, poetry. So any one of the styles can be used in writing your greeting card. Short and succinct. The writing should be short and succinct. Start writing. Start your card with dear, dearest, greetings, hello, and then add the name of the recipient. Let the recipient know why you are sending this card. In case of greeting card, the recipient will already come to know, so leave it. It is good to add 1 or 2 lines more about it. Put some detail, story, compliment or a comment. Finish showing why is the recipient matters for you. It can also be done by showing why do you care for him or her. Finish with quick reminder of the reasons of writing. It is like a book end. Finish strongly. There are many ways to finish off your writings like love, cheers, best wishes, sincerely, Zozo, warmly, yours truly, your friend. Put your name at the end. Where to submit your work. There are many websites which constantly remain in search of good writers from all over the world. Reading is the first stage of writing. You can write good content if you are a good reader. Once you write an e-card, read it, ask others to read and suggest. The phases of review and editing will enhance the quality of your writing. Here is a list of websites where a writer can submit his work. After reviewing your writing, the website will contact you and you will be paid for your writings. List of websites to submit your work: Hallmark, Blue Mountain Arts, Calypso Cards, Noble Works, Oatmeal Studios, RSVP, Shade Tree Greetings, Smart Alex, Vibilla, 123 Greetings. Once your submitted work is approved, ask for the payment and send next writings. How much greeting card writing jobs pay? Although the companies are less in number where you have to submit work, but a good writer can earn handsome amount. Although different companies pay differently, but on average $100 or more for one accepted greeting card work can be earned. Thank you.